Hey viewer, today I have got something very special for you all. And yes, you read it correct in the thumbnail. That stuff is absolutely free of cost. So without wasting any further time, let's roll to the intro. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Himanshu here and you're watching Developers Place. So today in this video, I have something very special for you. So the surprise which I was talking about is you are getting each and every courses of Great Learning absolutely free with certificate. I mean, it's insane, it's pretty insane. So let me just show you what you are exactly getting over here. You are getting a bunch of things absolutely free of cost. So the first is Java programming, Excel for beginners, cloud foundations, data science foundations, Python for machine learning, Python interview questions, artificial intelligence with Pythons. I mean, it's freaking insane. I mean, you are getting the courses by top faculty. Actually, I wanted to show you a demo of what kind of courses are you getting. So actually these days I am learning something of Python for machine learning, so I will just be giving you a demo. Okay, so I play this video.
Machine learning is changing the world that we live in. Top companies such as Facebook, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are looking for machine learning engineers, and the average salary of a machine learning engineer is around $120,000. So keeping the importance of machine learning in mind, we have come for this course so that you can get started in the field of ML. Now let's have a glance at the agenda. We will learn the most important Python libraries for machine learning, which are NumPy and Pandas.
So this was the level of explanation which you were getting, that too absolutely free of cost, and you'll be getting a certificate on top of that. I mean, it's a win-win for you. I mean, you are not losing anything, rather you are getting more and more and more. And hey all, this is not a sponsored video. Actually I saw something which is free of cost and which is worth it, so I thought why not to share it with you all. You can, as you can see here, many of peoples have got a salary of 36 lakh per annum, 7.5 lakh per annum internships. So that's pretty insane. Okay, and this website has a collaboration of many companies too, like Uber, Vince, Nielsen's, and Ugam, Craner, Lilly, etc, etc. Okay, so there are many more. So you can just go to my comment section down below and then just register over here, and that's it. And then just start exploring the courses and start learning, start preparing yourself and get registered as soon as possible. So hope you like this information. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe my channel so that you never miss any update related to stuffs about cybersecurity and upcoming technologies. So if you are interested in this stuffs, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So for till then, goodbye and have a nice day.